Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can unlock this retro police car lantern in Fish It game of Roblox. Okay, this is how the retro police car looks like, and this is a lantern, guys. If you want to unlock this lantern, you need to finish the prison break quest. This is the quest. I've already completed the quest. To take the quest, you can go to the classic island and then you're going to talk to the prisoner. He's right here, but since I've already completed the quest, now he's gone. You can talk to him right here, and then you need to catch prisoner fish. Let me show you how the fish looks like. Okay, you need to catch the prisoner fish to complete this quest. After you catch this prisoner fish from the classic school or from the classic cave, you're going to meet the guard right here. You're going to place the fish here, talk to the prison guard and place your fish, and then you're going to talk to the prisoner to claim your retro police car lantern. And this is the lantern, and yeah, it's so cool. Okay guys, and that's how you can unlock the retro police car lantern in Fish It game of Roblox. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.